What happens when you have $1 million deductible for your HOA and people can't come up with their portion of it under a special assessment or otherwise? How do you actually get that deductible paid? Chris, we've had this come up recently in regards to an HOA struggling to come up with their deductible because of the high dollar amount. That's
Mhm.
first and foremost probably a major issue. But secondly, they might not be able to come up with all the dollars. What do they do? Like, what happens in this type of situation?
No, that's a good question, and a lot of it can be complex because you've
Right.
got a lot of parties that are involved when you're filing an insurance claim for an
Yeah.
HOA community. You have the
Right.
property managers,
Lots of
you're
people.
gonna have the HOA board, you're also gonna have the HOA community, and they all three need to agree to make sure that this thing obviously moves forward. Now, we are seeing a lot of these deductibles are getting raised on HOA communities, so we wanted to get this
Mhm.
message out to you because there are other options.
Yeah.
One, we could educate you about, filing special assessment with your in-walls insurance HO6 that the all the pretty much the community owners have or should have.
Right.
But two, we
We
also offer
recommend that.
some.
So let me just,
Yes.
sorry to cut you off, but we recommend that if you are in an HOA and you don't have HO6 coverage that would actually cover maybe a special assessment, obviously read your policy. We don't see it.
Mhm.
So you guys take care of that. That's your responsibility as a property owner. But if you don't have that and the special assessment comes down, do you want to come out of pocket with $10,000, $20,000? Probably not. But you could get that coverage up to a certain dollar amount for very little
Mhm.
per month.